Alright, fellas, ladies and gents, I apologize. I have not made the videos I promised for 2025. Things just get busy. But today, we're going to show you right quick how to identify gray leaf spot. I was out here this morning spraying some nutsedge, and this spot over here just stood out like a sore thumb, so I wanted to share right quick. But you definitely can follow along on Instagram or Facebook. I do post there daily. All right, let's get down here, get some shade. I'm gonna show you, look at there. It's already standing out. Look at that, boy. Let's see. Let's do a focus. Focus right there. But this is gray leaf spot, and I would love to. I swear, every time I make a video, an airplane flies overhead. But anyway, years ago, I'd love to seen something like this to help me identify what gray leaf spot actually looks like. So here you go. Once you see it, I mean, it's obvious. It sort of stands out at the, let's see if I'm, see the spots? Gray leaf spot. It doesn't look like brown patch at all. Brown patch is more of an hourglass shape and goes across the leaf a little different. This is just really pronounced and obvious. Look at that. So, we will get out here with a fungicide, which will be TM 4.5. I source all my chemicals from Chemical Warehouse. Pesticides, fungicides, herbicides, you name it. I'll put a link in the description. But you want to get on this with some T-methyl, Clary's 336. But I buy in 2.5 gallon jugs because I'm treating 140,000 square feet. Little containers just don't go far around here. Anyway, there you go. Gray leaf spot identification. Hopefully that helps someone. If it does, please like and subscribe. Like I say, follow along on Instagram also. Look at this bad boy right here. Yeah. Let's see here. Let's get this one flipped over. God darn it. There we go. That's a fine specimen. There we go. Gray leaf spot, North Carolina. And if you're on Facebook, check out the Fescue Freaks. If you're into learning about Fescue, that's the #1 Facebook group for Fescue. Look at there. I just keep finding some good. There you go, fellas. Gray leaf spot identification. Like, subscribe. Thank you.